Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to animate the flag. It's very easy, just in few steps you can learn it. Before going to start, please subscribe my channel. So here is the 3ds Max scene. You can see the flag road. First you have to make the rectangular. Adjust the size according to flag. Keep it on the right place as you can see. Go to the modifier. Add garment maker. In parameter adjust density. After that add cloth modifier. In cloth modifier option, select group. And from the flag select top left vertex. Click on make group. Now of this group attach with node. Now select bottom left vertex. Make it group. And attach with node. For the force go to the command panel. In space wraps, select forces. Add wind on the viewport. Adjust the force according to the scene. Adjust the parameter of the wind. Now select the flag. Put any flag material on it. In the cloth parameter, open Object Properties. In Object Properties select Rectangular. On right side select Cloth. In Presets, select Silk. Then OK. Now in Cloth, click on Cloth Forces. In the Forces window, select the wind. Drop it on the right side. Then OK. In the Cloth option, you can adjust the gravity and subsample. Now just click on Simulator Local. It's not working good. You can reset it from here. Now adjust the wind and try it again. Still not good. It's happening because air pressure is low. Reset it again. Now adjust the units. And adjust the wind again. Now click on Simulator Local again. Now it's working good. Hope you will like this tutorial. Please subscribe my channel for more informative videos. And leave the comment for any question. Thanks for watching.